Yeah, actually, yung 18 Marines plus all the others, but some of those we subpoenaed that I signed yesterday, nung nalaman nilang papatawag, because what we did is to connect with them, voluntarily na pupunta na before Wednesday to issue their statement to shed light on the matter. Kasi may mga reports na rin sa amin, ito palang 18 Marines, apparently parang next week, they're trying to schedule another press con, may bago pang isasama na Marines because there were reports na mas marami pa pala yung kausap dyan or kinausap Mga 100 daw yan So, pero hindi lahat pumayag. So, ganun yung ano niya. Kaya yung tinatanong mo siyan tungkol dun sa kung political, may reports kasi sa amin nagtutugma na yan yung unang lalabas, tapos eventually may mga retired generals na lalabas, and you and I know, may lumalabas na ng retired general, kahapon, di ba? So we'll follow all those leads. Kaya siguro si Ombudsman nakakapagsalita na may tipping, they're looking for a tipping point or what. Kami naman, on our end, it's our duty to be very, very fair about this. We're just following the lead. We will validate all the reports sa amin. And those are the reports. I want to be very transparent kasi later on the public will have different set of views Depende kung kanino nakakampi. So I want to be very transparent that initially while we were starting, there are already reports na mas marami pa dun sa 18 na yan. And meron ngang may mga design na And we will develop that. But let me caution you, if the claim of the 18 points towards the direction ng mga binanggit nilang tao, we will not hesitate to go after them also. At tatawagin din sila to explain, to look at the motivation. I understand some of them filed cases already. So, it doesn't remove naman sa amin yung mandate namin to investigate even if there are cases filed because we will complement kung ano yung mga nakafile na yun.
In the event, sir, 19